Hi friends, good morning. Today is a Saturday, 2nd of April, and आज हम जा रहे हैं करोल बाग to check out King's rappers जो कि अच्छी रैपिंग करते हैं बाइक की. Second, we'll try out for some clutch guards. We'll also try and see अगर हमें कुछ अच्छे accessories मिल जाए like LED bulbs for the indicators and maybe something else. So let's go and check out. Be with me. Bye bye.
Hi friends, I am just reached Karol Bagh. I am in Bengal Assembly and today we are trying to fit in some accessories, starting with the hand guard. Right, this is the first copy. I will not say the original, the first copy of BMW backbusters, which will fit on our guard. Then we're gonna fit these foot pegs. These foot pegs would be fit for the back pillion rider so that he or she gets a lot of comfort. So you have a lot of things happening, a lot of things which you can put in your bike, starting from these are the kind of hand guards. I have opted for the other one, something like this, and you have these engine chassis covers, protectors. So this Bengal assembly is in Karol Bagh. I'll show you and give you the address. Once we fit in things, these are the levers, the modified levers which you can use. Of course, for Interceptor 650 we cannot fit these. Let me show you my bike. So this is my bike and we're gonna fit the hand guards here, and the other accessories would be fit in. We'll put in a footrest over there, and this is how this is Bengal assembly. So when you're coming from that particular road, you have to take this square and move towards. So if you have to, you can put this on the GPS. It is easily available, right? So these are the handle protectors which we'll be using. This will help us in preventing any kind of a front collision, and it will protect the lever also. I had a small fall where I had damaged the lever and little bit over here on the meter, but okay, this is manageable. We are planning to fit these grips also. These are very narrow and you will have a firm grip when you're driving it. Yeah, this looks good. ये कितने की है? ठीक है. So let's fit this and see how it looks. We're gonna fit this LED bulbs of Simtac indicators. Indicator bulb, piece of 4. Everything is there, guarantee and warranty for 2 years. So the best part is about Simtac is that you get a guarantee, number 1. Number 2, in LED bulbs, the flickering of the light is far better, far superior, and the frequency of flickering is also better than the normal bulbs. So let us see how this fitting helps. ये हमारे कितने का है? 800 and ये 400. 450. Fitting of the bar busters. This is how the fitting looks, but we'll show you the final fitting once it is done. We are trying to adjust the bark busters and the handle guards so that we can easily pull the lever, and there's a protection of the hand as well. Both the handle guards have been fit in, so just see if the symmetry is right. That looks okay. Now we are fitting in the foot treads. Let's see how these fits. These are stainless steel, quite strong, quite durable. What it helps is actually prevents the scratch on the silencer when anybody is sitting as a pillion driver, and it also has got hook gaps where you can put in the hooks when if you are putting in some bag on your rear seat. Fitting is quite easy. You just have to unscrew this bolt and fit this, and this is the rest on which the silencer would be fitting in, so this will not go down. Now we are fitting in the LED indicators. These are the old bulbs, and this is the LED bulb. Just have to remove this. You see the difference of the normal bulb, and this is the LED. The difference is quite visible, that the LED bulbs shine much brighter than the normal bulbs. The last bulb being fitted. So this is the LED. The LED looks powerful, awesome. Now we are fitting the windshield. So this will be the complete work and the last work which we had planned for today's InTouch After 650. Welcome to the Wandering 650 again. So as I said, we are in Bengal assembly at Karol, Bagh, and this is the last assembly we are trying to fit in, and then we will move home. And I think now the bike looks more or less complete and great to look at.